Well, good afternoon, everyone. Thanks for tuning in to Gray Shot Down. I'm Gray Shot Down behind the wheel. Or wait, no, I'm Gray Shot Down behind the on the sticks. I have a guest with me, Jacob Uri, behind the wheel. Sorry to get that off. I was thrown off a little bit because you you were me
There we go.
because the system was driving in the initial get go there. Today we're driving Tesla's 11.4.7.2 full self-driving software stack and trying to bring it to you from an aerial perspective. If you are liking the content, please be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. We all know how that helps us craze YouTube algorithm, and I greatly appreciate it. All right. Hey, church must be in session. All right, just remember the right lane.
Gotcha.
I'll try to help you on the way back, too. All right, so got to be in the right lane going through this. Sometimes it, and then if you want, you can try re-engaging if it'll let you.
Let's see. There it could have gone. Oh, gotta wait. And accelerator.
Okay.
Oh. Wanted to turn right.
It wanted to get in the left lane, didn't it? It did that to Doggone Sci-Fi the other day, too. That's why I tried to preempt you and then just stay in the right lane here.
There we go.
There we go. And then remember, once we make the left-hand turn up here, that you'll need to delete the navigation.
Gotcha.
Hope that's helpful.
Yeah.
I do find the yoke more comfortable, though, to hold the steering wheel.
Yeah. I
Like
immediately got used to it.
Yeah. I find that, like, on long road trips, I'll rest my hand, like, almost like in a typing way, and put it on the bottom side.
Oh, yeah.
And it kind of feels like you have, like, a kite bar in some ways, right?
Yeah.
And I just find it's a very comfortable position. All right, should be making a left here. Good. A little lazy to get in the lane, but good. Should go after this car here. Perfect. Perfect.
Little bit of accelerator, but
No, not bad. I'll delete the pin so that it reroutes for us. And it should, oh no, crap. You might have to manually drive so that we keep going straight.
okay.
Just disengage and keep driving straight. Sorry.
Okay.
I just looked over and it's not going to go our correct route. Apologies about this, viewers. It should reroute once we get up here the way that you and I are wanting to go, which is up over the hill. But just look at the map update and see if it's going up over Badger there. Trying to look at both of them. There it goes. Sorry.
Perfect.
Deleted it too soon.
Yeah.
Oopsies. It's kind of a neat area at this time of year, though.
Yeah, nice view.
Mm. I'm going to try to get a better shot of the vineyard today. Did you get your Model 3 new?
Yeah. Yep.
Was it an inventory car or was it a custom order?
Oh, I believe it was a custom order, if I'm remembering right. Yeah.
You had to wait a little bit for it.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, I only have a hard time remembering because the amount of times I go on their website to configure a car or to look at their inventory, it's just
Do you really?
all the time. Oh yeah.
I suppose that's something I used to do, but like I don't do as often nowadays.
Now that you have a couple.
Yeah.
Yeah, we still want to get a Model Y.
It's a great car.
Yeah.
It fits the most amount of people. Like it's the most utilitarian in my opinion of the lineup.
The Y?
Yeah.
Yeah.
It fits the it addresses the largest market.
Yeah.
You know, people want to haul stuff, people want to carry kids, people want to
Big bump.
sorry. People want to, you know, yeah. That's a great vehicle for that.
Yeah. That the ground clearance and the hatch. There's been a couple times that I've taken my 3 to a few places where, like a county fair, or we went to a pumpkin patch last night, and parking is usually in a field somewhere.
Yeah.
And having that extra couple inches of clearance would be really nice to not worry about bottoming out.
Because it does have a little bit of it's not much, right?
No, it's not too much. I want to say it's only another 3 inches or so.
You could get this car. This car's got air suspension. It'll solve that problem
Yeah.
for you.
Yeah.
I don't know if Sam's gonna go for that though or not.
Well, I think where the prices are getting the X with the tax rebate.
That's the kicker.
Yeah, the tax credit. I mean,
You know though that the bummer about that is that if you put this steering wheel on it, you instantaneously lose your credit.
yeah, any option really.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, sorry. It does want to sometimes dive to the right here, so you can do exactly what you just did.
Oh, got a pickup coming. And nice acceleration. That was not me at all.
That was the car.
That was the car.
That was well done.
Yeah.
Yeah, this area. There we go.
Pretty rapid deceleration
To what speed?
to drop down to 25.
Oh no, you can do. I'm pretty sure it's 30 through here. It might not have the speed limit in for the road. Sounds like we're at some Star Wars cantina.
Yeah.
I remember when this road was dirt. That was probably before you guys were here.
Yeah. Oh, what?
Although it would have been back when you were here originally, right?
Oh yeah. When I was
Growing up.
yeah, there was nothing out here at all.
Alright, so I don't want to make the first right. I'll go down to that elementary school down there. Whee! New Jersey's residential area is really nice.
Yeah.
It's a nice little area too.
Mhm.
This area's always been a nice area though. Well, you guys, as we come to the end of the drive, if you are liking the content, please be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. We all know how that helps the crazy YouTube algorithm. I'm Gray Shot down on the sticks, alongside special guest driver Jacob Urey behind the wheel. Keep the conversation going on X. And just feel free to park wherever you like.
All right.